Have you ever noticed we often end up breaking the very things we love the most? Whether it's a relationship, a friendship, or even our own dreams, we truly care about them, yet slowly we start destroying them ourselves. Sounds strange, right? But if you look closely, it's actually very common. The first reason is fear, the fear of loss. When something becomes really important to us, the fear of losing it grows just as big, and our mind takes a weird shortcut. Let's end it first, it'll hurt less. Like saying before exam results, I'll probably fail anyway, just so the pain feels smaller if it actually happens. The same thing happens in relationships. When someone genuinely cares, we start overreacting, overthinking, and creating unnecessary fights. The second reason is low self-worth. Sometimes, deep down, we feel like we don't deserve good things. When something good comes into our life, a great partner or a great opportunity, a voice inside says, "This isn't for me." And then we start becoming careless, late replies, ignoring, putting in less effort, and slowly it slips away. Just like that gym membership we buy with full motivation and forget after 3 days. The third reason is the fear of losing control. When you deeply love something, you become vulnerable, you share your emotions, and that feeling isn't comfortable for everyone. So we either create distance or mess things up just to feel in control again. Like a child holding their favorite toy too tightly until it breaks. The love is strong, but the handling isn't. And then comes the most dangerous villain, overthinking. We turn small things into huge problems. He didn't say goodnight, maybe he's losing interest. She replied late, something must be wrong. And just like that, we create stories in our head. In reality, the person just fell asleep, but we already made a whole movie out of it. The truth is, people don't destroy things intentionally. While trying to protect them, fear and insecurity end up ruining everything. When emotions aren't clear, actions go wrong. So what's the solution? Next time you feel like you're pushing something away or damaging it yourself, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, am I doing this because I'm scared? If the answer is yes, then understand, the problem isn't outside, it's within. And remember one simple thing. Loving is easy, but maintaining it is a skill. What you have may not be perfect, but if you learn to handle it right, it can become the best thing in your life. Otherwise, we all end up with a list of things we ruined ourselves. And honestly, that list isn't something you can laugh at. So from today, try a small change. Don't destroy, learn to protect, because that's where the real game is.
If this made you think even a little differently, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Mind Orbits for more real and relatable insights like this, because sometimes one small realization can change everything.